Hello traders, and welcome on another video review. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin, to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the daily time frame chart, and we are going to do some sort of the Elliott wave labeling here because the situation is very interesting. So let's start from the beginning. Let's label our chart for the purposes of the technical analysis. We are going to use this tool here, Elliott waves. We are going to label this situation here as the first major Elliott wave, impulsive wave, of course, to the upside. So let me just explain what is going on here, and it looks like we have completed, possibly we have completed the Elliott wave structure. We have 5 waves here. Let me just get rid of this wave, and that might be a little bit better to view. There you go. So we have a 5-wave impulsive pattern to the upside. Moreover, let me just label one more thing here. The wave 3 is as well developed in 5 waves. So let me just get rid of this structure, and I will just make it like a microwave, maybe something different. Minuet. Okay, that works perfectly. So we have the Roman letters instead of this. There you go, and that's very nice. So what is going on here is a typical 5-wave Elliott wave pattern to the upside on the Bitcoin. Right, it looks like the wave 5 had been completed, but very often wave 5 and wave 3, they create some sort of the divergence between wave 3 and 5 is very often possible for the two to spot the termination of the wave 5, to be honest. Let me just take a look whether this situation here might be applied. There you go. And as you can see, if we apply our oscillator to the chart, we can see that there is some sort of the divergence here between wave 3 and wave 5, but it's very little. Right, it very often cannot be spotted right away, but it is here. So we can assume that the wave 5 top at the level of 69,812 had been finished. We have a beautiful 5-wave pattern to the upside completed here, as you can see. So everything is according to the plan. So what will happen now? Let me just zoom out back on again and give you the perspective. So we have the labeling here. Let me just do the lines now, the technical supports, and of course resistance. So the first major one, 53,780. So this is the major one. So let's just do this. Okay, that's the wave. That's the situation with the support. Let me just move this one so we can know clearly what is going on. Now we got another technical support. This technical support is located roughly around here, which is of course the wave of the down of the wave 4, 63,650, and now the technical resistance. So the top for the wave 5 will be the technical resistance. Maybe let me just do it the other way around. So I will just do it with the other line simply, but the rule is the same. Okay, so that's the technical resistance, so it's going to be red, and that's the technical support. It's going to be, of course, green. So that's clear, and it's not cluttering our view. Now the historical highs. This is the technical resistance, 71,800. This is the major technical resistance. If we zoom out a little bit more, we can see that we got one more here, 72,400 580, and if we zoom out even more, we can see clearly that we have the all-time high 73,550. So all of this zone here might be treated as the, let's say it loudly, supply zone. Very strong supply zone. So from this situation here to this situation here, there you go, from this time period we got the supply zone. Now this movement to the upside might be a first leg of the uptrend resumption, but it looks like the wave 5 had been completed, and the whole impulsive wave to the upside has been completed. So let's label it as the wave 1, big wave 1. Yes, this is it. Make it like that, and let's say it's 24. That's not a problem. So we have completed this impulsive structure, wave 1. Now we should see some sort of the correction, in form of the, let's say, the simple correction ABC. So what we should do here is to see what we should there you go, we should see ABC correction to the downside. The major levels here are the down of the wave 4, and the low for the wave 4, 60,650, is possibly the target for the wave of course C, and this might be the target for the wave 2. Yes, you are correct, wave 2. And when we're done with this ABC correction, the uptrend might be resumed higher. Of course, we see straight on the big and strong supply zone, all-time high, and a couple of other levels that couldn't be violated before. Maybe this time it will be a little bit better. So one more indicator, RSI, to our chart. I think it will be enough. You can see the RSI is still positive, is still above the level of 60, and for sure above the level of 50. So the situation here looks like this. Momentum is strong. It's possible. It's positive. However, it's not on the elevated levels. It's just a regular 60-point momentum. If we go down towards the wave 4 and then do this corrective pattern, then of course the momentum might break the level of 50 points and enter the negative zone. For now, I'm leaving you with this scenario for the Bitcoin. I think it's quite obvious what to do right now. How this scenario will unfold, the market will tell us soon. Let me just change this color for the red, so you know that this is the down movement, the down correction, corrective cycle. This is what we are waiting for right now. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.